Welcome to the Salmon Runs YouTube. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will compare the Acura RDX versus Nissan Rogue. Let's dive into their performance capabilities. The Acura RDX boasts a powerful 2.0-liter turbocharged engine, delivering 272 horsepower for a dynamic driving experience. In contrast, the Nissan Rogue comes with a 1.5-liter VC turbo engine, offering 201 horsepower. Both models provide excellent all-wheel drive options, ensuring confident handling in various conditions. We'll explore how these differences impact your daily drive. Moving inside, both SUVs offer impressive interiors, but with distinct philosophies. The Acura RDX provides a luxurious cabin, highlighted by its 10.2-inch infotainment display and high-quality materials. The Nissan Rogue focuses on practicality and space, featuring an available 12.3-inch digital dashboard and comfortable seating. Both models are equipped with a suite of advanced safety features, including adaptive cruise control and lane keeping assist, prioritizing your peace of mind on the road. Now, let's talk about fuel efficiency and overall value. The Acura RDX delivers an estimated 24 miles per gallon combined, respectable for its performance class. The Nissan Rogue, however, excels in fuel economy, achieving an estimated 33 miles per gallon combined, making it a more economical choice. Regarding price, the RDX typically starts around $44,000, whereas the Rogue begins closer to $29,000, reflecting their different market segments. Finally, let's consider the driving experience. The Acura RDX offers a more athletic and engaging drive, with precise handling and responsive acceleration, appealing to those who enjoy a spirited journey. The Nissan Rogue, on the other hand, prioritizes a smooth, comfortable, and family-friendly ride, perfect for daily commutes and longer trips. Your choice depends on whether you value performance or practicality more. Don't forget to check the description for a link to those leak-proof containers and other great deals we've found for you.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.